Nicholas Carlini is one of the greatest security researchers alive. But last week, an AI found software bugs in a matter of days that he completely missed his entire career. The results will shock you because if the top experts in the world are getting replaced, what happens to the rest of us? Welcome back to Decoding CyberSecurity. I'm Rakesh Nayam. Let me be honest with you, I've been losing sleep over a massive question. What is my plan B if AI replaces me? And I don't just watch this stuff from the sidelines, I'm right in the middle of it. At Novartis, Malaysia, I run AI hackathons and AI clinics. We teach teams how to adopt AI into their daily work. I'm not watching the wave, I'm surfing it. But here's the scary part. Even surfers know the wave can wipe them out. So here's the thing, we have to figure out how to survive. Chapter 1, the reality check. When the Claude Mythos AI dropped last week, everything shifted. It wasn't just curiosity anymore, it became an absolute urgency. We are no longer competing with other humans. We are competing with something that literally does not sleep. It doesn't get tired, and it keeps getting better every single second. Most people think the answer is just working harder, or learning a bunch of new tools, or hiding in some tiny obscure niche. Nope. Those are races that an algorithm will eventually win. You cannot beat a machine at a machine's game. At Chapter 2, Speed versus Velocity. Let's go deeper. There is a massive difference between speed and velocity. Speed is just how fast you move. Velocity is speed with direction. AI has one thing we can absolutely never match: speed. It can generate, analyze, and optimize at a scale that is terrifying. But wait, it gets crazier. Here is the massive gap. AI does not know where the target is. It's like a Premier League football player who can kick the ball 200 miles per hour, but has zero clue where the goal is. It can shoot faster than any human, but it doesn't know what to aim at. And that realization changed everything for me. AI can assist and accelerate, but it still desperately needs direction. And that direction comes from us. Chapter 3, the 3 human superpowers. If we can't win on speed, we have to focus on velocity. So, I am staking the next phase of my career on 3 specific things that machines still struggle with. Number 1, taste. AI can spit out 100 ideas in 10 seconds, but taste is knowing which one actually matters. It's the judgment you build over years of experience. Machines produce, humans choose. Number 2, systems thinking. My son is super interested in coding and ethical hacking right now, and I constantly tell him this: don't just learn how to write a quick script. Build the ability to zoom out and see the entire board. To ask the big questions: what is actually worth building? What will still matter 10 years from now? AI can optimize a small task, but humans define the entire system. Number 3, craftsmanship. This is where it gets highly personal. Craftsmanship is when you actually care, when you go deep, when your work carries your own unique fingerprint. It's not just about being correct, it's about being meaningful. Because in a world of infinite AI content, depth is the only thing that will stand out. Before we wrap up, time for a quick trivia. Think human AI teamwork is a new concept? In 1997, the supercomputer Deep Blue beat world chess champion Garry Kasparov. Everyone thought humans were finished in chess. But shortly after, they created Centaur chess, a human and an AI teaming up together. The result? The human AI team consistently destroyed pure AI computers. The human provided the big picture strategy. The AI provided the fast calculation, speed plus direction. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn how to secure your digital life, hit that subscribe button. We drop new videos every single week to keep you informed. Here's the bigger picture. Sitting still is the only guaranteed way to lose. I'm not betting my future on trendy tools. I'm not betting on passing trends. I'm betting on taste, systems thinking, and craft. Because speed wins the race, but velocity wins the journey. So today, I'll leave you with one question. Not a comfortable one, but an important one. What is your plan B if AI replaces you? Think about it. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.